In this example, we will take two numbers from the client and post them to our servlet and then perform multiple operations on it. For that, we have taken two numbers n1 and n2 using input type text, and after a break line, we accept a click on a submit button. So based on the number of operations that we have, we will be creating multiple buttons in our form. So a button for add, a button for subtract, a button for multiply, and so on. So each operation will have its corresponding button with the value which is differing, but the name of the button will be the same. So here the name of the button is btn. Then in our servlet file, so here we are already accepting the two numbers. We are reading the two numbers from the request using the get parameter method and the name of the text boxes. We are parsing it and storing it in num1 and num2. Now we will be creating a response. So for that we set the content type to text/html with the character encoding UTF-8, and then we obtain a writer object from the for the response, so that is out, and then we are just using the println method of the out object to write to the response. So we are writing an HTML file in the response. Here we change the title to math operations, and in the body we want to display the sum. If we have clicked on the add button, we will be displaying the difference if we have clicked on the subtract button, and we will be displaying the product if we have clicked on the multiply button. For that, we need to know which button has been clicked. So we can know that from by using the, so let us create a string s which contains the parameter btn. So the value of btn will be stored in s. So now we'll check if s equals add, then we will be printing the sum. If the string s equals subtract, then we will be displaying the difference. Else we will be displaying the product. This is the HTML file which will be accepting two numbers, and here we have our buttons for add, subtract and multiply. So when we click on add, it will display the sum of two numbers. When we click on subtract, it will display the difference of two numbers, and when we click on multiply, it will display the product of two numbers.